Hello guys, I gave an interview in a company called Techno4 Solution, and that company is located in New Delhi, and the interview date was the 22nd November 2022. The interview was based on the PHP, MySQL and front end. So I want to share these questions. So they asked me what is the unset and unlinked function in PHP. So I said unset function is used to destroy a variable or remove a value from an array. Example, we have a variable dollar name is equal to ABC, and then we use the unset dollar name and then echo dollar name. So it will show the undefined variable output. Also we can use it in array. And unlink function is used when you want to delete the file from the file system. For example, you have a file dollar file equal to example.txt. If unlink dollar file echo file deleted successfully, else fail to delete file. So it will show the fail to delete file. Okay. They asked me how do you start the session. So session underscore start function. They asked me the super global. So I said some predefined variable in PHP are super global, which means that always they are always accessible regardless of scope, and you can access them from any function, class or file without having to do anything special. So then they asked me, can you suggest me some super global variables in PHP? So I said dollar global, dollar server, dollar request, dollar post, dollar get, dollar files, dollar env, dollar cookie, dollar session. Immediately they asked me what is a dollar server. So I said the dollar server is a PHP super global variable which holds information about the headers, paths and script locations. So how do we use it in PHP? So if we echo dollar server in bracket PHP self or server name, HTTP post, HTTP refer, HTTP user agent and script name. They asked me MySQL fetch object. So I said fetches the result row as an object. MySQL fetch array. So fetch a result rows as associative array, a numeric array or both. MySQL underscore fetch underscore array resource result int dollar result is equal to MySQL both. How do you know the exact size of the file? So the function is file size in bracket file name. So it will show the file size in byte. Require once in PHP. So I said require includes and evaluates the specific file. If the file is missing or the inclusion fails, it causes a fatal error, stopping the script execution. Okay. Require once function includes and evaluate the specified file only once, even if it is called the multiple times in the script. If the file is missing, it also causes the fatal error. They asked me the multiple inheritance in PHP. So I said PHP does not support multiple inheritance directly because a class in PHP can inherit from only one parent class. This restriction avoids the complexities and ambiguities of the diamond problem, which can occur in the multiple inheritance scenario. So I have an example trait logger public function and then we echo it. Other trait we create the notifier public function notify echo notification. Then we use a class user, and we use these both traits, use logger and notifier. Then public function create user, then echo username, then this log created user, this notified user dollar name has been added. Then we'll create a object dollar user equal to new user and user create user. So the output will be the user created, log created notification. They asked me constants in PHP. So constants are a powerful tool in PHP to define fixed value that remain consistent throughout your script. Constants are defined using the define function or the const keyword. Okay. Also, they asked me magic constant description. So I said line, file, direct, dir, that is directory, functions, class, trait, method, namespace. So uh, these are the what do you call constants in PHP. So these question asked by the Technofor Solution company, and the company was located in the Delhi, and the interview date was the 22nd November 2022. I will share more questions. I will share more interview question. Till then, bye.